Today I used buccal fat, which is a little bit of a smoother fat than the granular fat that you get from the abdomen. And I used a very, very small amount. Here we have some buccal fat that was removed. It took pretty much 1 minute on each side. It's very quick and easy to remove. It is a very stem cell rich fat. It's kind of like orbital fat, the fat around the eyes. It sticks around for a long time. So right now what I'm doing is I'm actually gonna mince it up, and I'm gonna use this to inject either under the eyes or into the lip. It's a much smoother fat than abdominal fat. Lasts much longer, has a very high take rate as well, so you can pass it through a lure lock so we get all the air out of it as it's coming up. And it should be minced up to get through this 10 cc. So now we're gonna push it into the 1 cc syringes. Now we have a beautiful stem cell rich type of fat to inject. And if you're familiar with orbital fat, buccal fat, and subplatysmal fat, they're all very similar in consistency and durability. You can see it's very smooth, healthy fat. It's very concentrated because there's no local anesthetic injected. And you see this ear over here. Most patients wouldn't notice it, but it's elongated over time. It's going down low into the neck, and it's forming these wrinkles around the piercings because it's deflated over time. We're adding a tiny little bit of fat into the ear to reinflate it. After I inject it, you'll see the lines start to go away. And buccal fat is great because the rate of survival is higher than lipoaspirated fat. It's a great type of fat graft for under the eyes and for the lip as well. Fat itself can always migrate a little bit as you're injecting. It can grow, it can change in its character. Even with hormonal changes in the body, it can. So you always have to be cautious. Never take fat for granted. It seems like it's a natural substance because it's from your body, but it's not natural to take it from one place and put it in another. So it can always act a little aberrant or a little strange, stranger than what you'd ever think.